Facebook owns Oculus now for the Oculus Rift, and there are some sketchy terms of service for using the Oculus Rift. Mostly, it's about collecting information about what you use on Oculus Home. It specifically says that they're going to be using the data to market to you, and they're going to collect all sorts of information.
Just last week, the UK passed a law saying that ISPs are going to be required to maintain a database of their users' top-level domain browsing history for 1 year.
And it's Facebook, which we know that Facebook wants to collect as much information just so they can sell it.
And more recently with Adult Friend Finder, right? These are big databases of people that probably didn't want other people to know they were on those websites.
We're gonna collect information about all the apps and computer programs that you watch, and I don't think that Facebook has to collect all this information, and they're just doing it.
Those databases have been released in the wild, and you can search through them and find who has had an account.
Facebook is collecting that information, saying, he really likes this desktop app, so why would they need to collect information about that? They don't need to, but they will still be able to.
But think about who it's going to affect, right? Everyone's gonna start searching everyone if that database gets compromised, right? Husbands are gonna search wives, wives are gonna search husbands, parents are gonna search children, and children are going to search parents. Employees are going to search their employers, and vice versa.
And they're going to get more and more as they figure out how to.
It's none of your business what I've been doing in the past year, or what domains that I've been to in the past year. That's none of your concern. Divorces, people getting fired, people losing positions of power, people being just embarrassed by what's found in that browsing history.
But when it specifically said that they're going to be using the information to market to you,
this database should not even exist because of the potential ramifications of that information becoming public by the release of that information. So it's a huge, huge problem, and it's data that should be kept private. The many are being punished by the actions of the few.